and welcome to another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. Today we're out in Kyoto, Japan, and we're visiting the King Kakuji temple, which is also known as the Golden Pavilion Temple. The temple has 3 stories. The top 2 stories are covered with golden leaves. It's considered one of the most beautiful spots in Japan and a must visit. So let's jump into this video and see what it has to offer. So our trip at King Kakuji was actually short-lived because we quickly found out there wasn't much to do or see there. Apart from that beautiful pavilion and the grounds, you could purchase food, and we got some delicious matcha with gold ice cream right here. And you could also go ahead and buy souvenirs, but apart from that, that was it. There wasn't much to do. So then we made our way over to Arashiyama again, and we visited the bamboo forest. The bamboo forest, just like King Kakuji Temple, also didn't have much to do. Instagram worthy, of course, with beautiful photos, but apart from walking through the forest and taking pictures, that was all that was there to do at the bamboo forest. So we made our 3rd stop in Osaka, and we went to the famous Downton Street. And here is where we did indeed find some stuff to do. Go ahead and check it out right here. So Osaka is known for some of the best eats in Japan. So of course, while out there, we had to try this for ourselves. So you too, if you're ever out in Osaka, be sure to check out the takoyaki, the okonomiyaki, the negiyaki, the yakiniku, the kushikatsu, and so much more. And comment down below to let us know, are you interested in any of these foods? Let's go ahead and see what we ate out in Osaka. Okay, thank you. This is how it's supposed to look. Guys, no doubt that has been the best takoyaki that I've had so far. It was more seasoned, like it had green onions in there. It was just more flavorful. It is the best. It had a sign that said it was #1, but trust me, that has been the best. Is that on the board? That was the best so far. Wow, it's amazing. Oh, there you are. Hold on. I have something on my face. Oh, there you are. So another interesting thing to note about Osaka is typically in Japan, food is normally displayed outside of a restaurant with plastic replicas of what it would look like if you were supposed to order a particular dish. Now in Osaka, they took it one step further. The buildings in Osaka, you could find what each restaurant was known for through huge art, food. So for instance, there was this building with a huge crab with dancing legs, or you'll see gyoza on the side of a building, and ooh, they sell dumplings. So just little things like that brought to the atmosphere of Osaka that I really enjoyed. The way the people dressed, the way the people interacted with us. It was just so much fun. So comment down below to let us know, what do you think about these buildings displaying these huge food, to let us know what they're selling in their restaurants.
I didn't see that Indian restaurant. Look at the sushi. Thing is over there.
So another must-have in Osaka is Okonomiyaki along with kushikatsu. So we're at a restaurant, and this one is one of the popular ones that a lot of people have recommended. The name of it is in Japanese, so I'm not sure what it is. So I'm excited to try to see if it lives up to the hype. So I'll show you once the food gets here. I'll show you the process and how everything works. So the kushikatsu is fried. We got the 5-piece with cheese, shrimp, sausage, beef, and vegetable. So what it is it's fried, and then you get to dip it in a sauce, but you can only dip it once because every table comes with this individual sauce, and you all share it. That part of it is a little bit scary because y'all know I'm a little bit of a germaphobe. So I'm hoping nobody double dips. There are signs everywhere to tell you not to double dip. So yeah, once it gets here, I'll show you the process and we'll experience it together. So I believe this is beef, cheese. I know that's shrimp, vegetable, maybe sausage, and over here you have your sauce, which you're only supposed to dip once. Doesn't look like anybody's been double dipping, so hopefully it'll be good. So I believe this is the beef, but I'll check it once I start eating. So you just grab it, you dip it real good, okay, because you can only dip it once. Probably should have brought the plate closer. Thank you. And then definitely beef. What's the music? That's good. Cheese. Dip. Get it real good. That's pretty yummy. It's just a sweet sauce. I believe it's called miso kikatsu, but it definitely gives the food a lot of flavor. In ordering it, I would order the beef #1, the cheese, just as how it was. The beef, the cheese. I would switch the shrimp, so I would do beef #1, cheese #2, shrimp #3, sausage #4, and vegetable #5. But that's only because the vegetable was the lotus root, and I don't like lotus roots. So that would be my order, but it's pretty yummy. So if you guys ever get a chance to try, go ahead and try some kushikatsu. Thank you. And now we have our okonomiyaki, and they have already cooked it up top, but this is hot, so it's just keeping the food warm, and we're going to share and eat this. So again, it's a must-have in Osaka. We've had this in Yokohama, So I want to compare the differences to see if it actually is better here. So how it works is, so this is called a teko in Japan, but as you can see is a small spatula, and all you do is you cut it. So you can cut it like this. Let me get this out the way. And all you do is, so it's easy to share, it needs to be cut some more. Now you actually have some places that you can cook this yourself, but like I said earlier, they cook this for us and you just scoop it off. So it's a meal to enjoy with friends. So we got the ebisuyaki, which has the pork, the squid, the beef, and green onions, shrimp and green onions. So pork, squid, shrimp, beef and green onions is in this one, and it looks delicious. It really does. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. It's basically a pancake filled with meat. It's very good. It's flavorful, and I do think this one was better than the one in Yokohama, so I would say another must-have in Osaka. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss another video. And this concludes our Nara Osaka Kyoto trip. Yay! And if you have not as yet, go ahead and click right here where you can go ahead and see all the videos for that area. Or go ahead and click right here to check out my life in Japan. And until next time, thank you for hanging out with me. And I'll see you for KimDix Talk. And take care. Bye-bye.